Okay, now at this point, we've done some math. In our demand schedule, we've calculated out the total amount of revenue that could be brought in at any given price for whatever restaurant it might be. In our daily costs, we've already calculated out the variable costs and fixed costs and did some math to figure out how much it would cost to actually be in business and sell food. What we're going to do now is bring everything together and look at our profit. And so I'm going to go to the final tab that you have here, the daily profit tab. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the box again, the daily profit is going to be equal to the revenue minus the cost. So the money I bring in minus the money I pay out. And if that number is a positive number, I have a profit. And if it's not, I have a loss. So what I'm going to do now is something very simple. I'm going to go to Taco Villa for $10 and start with an equal sign. I'm going to go now to my revenue for $10 for Taco Villa, which is 0 because nothing was sold. And I'm going to subtract out my costs. In this case, it was $30 to be open. You can't really see that too well. So I'm just going to go up here to B26. There we go. And what I'm going to find now is $0 revenue minus $30 cost is going to be a $30 loss. And what I can do now is go ahead and go on down and copy this through. Okay. What you'll also notice is when things are in parentheses, there'll be a loss. And when things are being made, there's going to be a profit. What I'd like you to do is go ahead and do the same calculation and go ahead and highlight the single biggest or both the single biggest profit for each restaurant. Now, do keep in mind that it's going to be at a different price, and that's okay. And when you have that set up, that is how you're going to be doing the daily profit for each restaurant. So go ahead and get that taken care of, and then we'll go on to the next step.